What if the last thing you heard each night was English? Not grammar rules, not boring exercises, just two people talking naturally, winding down, the way you do at the end of a real day.
That is what today is. A calm evening conversation, 15 real phrases, and a chance to let the language sink in before you sleep.
Welcome to Easy English Leap. I am Anna.
And I am Jake. Tonight is a special one. This lesson is designed to be listened to in the evening, on the sofa, in bed, anywhere you feel relaxed.
We will go through the full conversation slowly first, then break it down phrase by phrase, and then do it again at natural speed with time for you to repeat.
By the end, you will have 15 phrases for your evening routine, things you can actually say, think, or write every night.
Let us begin.
Here are the 15 phrases you will learn tonight. Listen first. Just listen.
1. How was your day? 2. I am completely exhausted. 3. It has been a long day. 4. I need to unwind. 5. What are you grateful for today? 6. I am proud of myself for. 7. I should have 8. Tomorrow I am going to. 9. Let us call it a day. 10. I cannot keep my eyes open. 11. I am going to hit the hay. 12. Sweet dreams. 13. Set an alarm for 7, please. 14. I have been thinking about. 15. I feel at peace.
15 phrases. Every one of them will appear in the conversation coming up. Let us go slowly first.
Section 1. Evening conversation. Slow version. Listen carefully. Every phrase will appear on screen. Music, soft ambient evening tones. Fade out.
Anna, long day?
You have no idea. How was your day?
Honestly, it has been a long day. Back-to-back meetings from 9 until 5.
Same. I am completely exhausted. I barely had time for lunch.
Me too. I really need to unwind tonight. No more screens after this.
Good plan. Let us call it a day properly.
Yeah. Hey, can I ask you something? What are you grateful for today?
Good question. I think I am grateful that I finished that project. Even though it was stressful, I got it done.
That is a win.
And I am proud of myself for not getting angry when everything went wrong this afternoon. I just breathed and kept going.
That takes a lot. I should have done the same. I got frustrated in that 3 o'clock meeting. I wish I had handled it better.
We all have moments like that.
True. Anyway, tomorrow I am going to start earlier, set a better routine. I have been thinking about that a lot lately.
Me too. Actually, I have been thinking about signing up for that evening class, the one we talked about last week.
You should do it.
Maybe I will. Okay. I cannot keep my eyes open anymore. I think I am going to hit the hay.
Same. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. Oh, set an alarm for 7, please. I have an early call.
Done. 7 o'clock.
Thank you. You know, after a day like today, I feel at peace. Just sitting here, talking, not rushing anywhere.
Yeah, me too.
Good night.
Good night.
End of slow version. Now let us break it down. 15 phrases in 6 groups.
Group 1. Checking in.
Phrase 1. How was your day? The most natural way to open an evening conversation. Simple, warm, caring. How was your day?
Phrase 3. It has been a long day. Not it was a long day. We use the present perfect here, it has been, because the feeling still exists right now. It has been a long day.
Group 2. Feelings and energy.
Phrase 2. I am completely exhausted. Completely makes this stronger than just tired. It shows the full feeling. I am completely exhausted.
Phrase 4. I need to unwind. Unwind means to relax and let go of tension, like unwinding a coil. I need to unwind. very natural, in British and American English.
Group 3. Reflection.
Phrase 5. What are you grateful for today? A beautiful question. Grateful means thankful. This phrase is used in mindfulness, journaling, and real daily conversation. What are you grateful for today?
Phrase 6. I am proud of myself for. Finish this sentence with what you did well today. I am proud of myself for finishing that project. I am proud of myself for staying calm.
Phrase 7. I should have. This is how we express regret in English. Past modal, should have, plus past participle. I should have handled it better. I should have taken a break earlier.
Group 4. Planning tomorrow.
Phrase 8. Tomorrow I am going to, a simple, natural way to talk about future plans. Not, I will, I am going to, suggests something already decided. Tomorrow I am going to start earlier.
Phrase 14. I have been thinking about present perfect continuous, an action that started in the past and continues now. I have been thinking about signing up for that class. I have been thinking about this for a while.
Group 5. Getting ready for sleep.
Phrase 9. Let us call it a day. An idiom meaning let us stop for today. Very common among native speakers. Let us call it a day.
Phrase 10. I cannot keep my eyes open. This is a very natural, expressive way to say, you are too tired to stay awake. I cannot keep my eyes open.
Phrase 11. I am going to hit the hay. Another idiom for going to sleep. Casual, warm, commonly used between friends or family. I am going to hit the hay.
Phrase 12. Sweet dreams. What you say to someone before they sleep. It is gentle, kind, and completely natural. Sweet dreams.
Group 6. Practical evening phrases.
Phrase 13. Set an alarm for 7, please. Ultra practical. You can change the time for 6, for 6:30, for 7:30. Set an alarm for 7, please.
Phrase 15. I feel at peace. A simple but powerful phrase. At peace means calm, settled, content. Not just happy, deeper than that. I feel at peace.
6 groups, 15 phrases, every one of them completely natural for your evenings.
Now the shadowing section. We will do the full conversation again at natural speed. After each key phrase, you will hear a pause. That is your moment. Repeat out loud, even in a whisper if you are already in bed.
3, 2, 1. Let us go. Music, soft ambient evening tones, gentle, Anna.
Anna, how was your day? Pause 3 seconds.
It has been a long day. Pause 3 seconds.
I am completely exhausted. Pause 3 seconds.
I really need to unwind. Pause 3 seconds.
Let us call it a day. Pause 3 seconds.
What are you grateful for today? Pause 3 seconds.
I am proud of myself for staying calm today. Pause 3 seconds.
I should have taken a break earlier. Pause 3 seconds.
Tomorrow I am going to start with a better routine. Pause 3 seconds.
I have been thinking about signing up for that class. Pause 3 seconds.
I cannot keep my eyes open. Pause 3 seconds.
I am going to hit the hay. Pause 3 seconds.
Sweet dreams. Pause 3 seconds.
Set an alarm for 7, please. Pause 3 seconds.
I feel at peace. Pause 3 seconds.
Well done. You just practiced all 15 phrases at natural speed.
You can play this again tomorrow night, or the night after. The more you hear it, the more natural it becomes.
Now a quick recap. 15 phrases for your evening routine.
Checking in. How was your day? It has been a long day.
Feelings. I am completely exhausted. I need to unwind.
Reflection. What are you grateful for today? I am proud of myself for, I should have.
Planning. Tomorrow I am going to. I have been thinking about.
Going to sleep. Let us call it a day. I cannot keep my eyes open. I am going to hit the hay. Sweet dreams.
Practical. Set an alarm for 7, please.
And finally, I feel